In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get Wix API key. To begin, log into your Wix dashboard. Once you are inside your account, look to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This will open your account options. From there, select Account Settings. This is where Wix keeps the main controls for your account, including developer-related settings like API access. After you are in Account Settings, move to the left-hand navigation menu. Scroll through the menu until you find API keys. Then click on it. This section is where you can manage existing keys and create a new one for your app or integration. If this is your first time here, take a moment to review the page so you understand where your keys will appear once they are created. Next, go to the top right corner of the API keys page and click Generate API Key. Wix will then ask you to enter the key details. In the text field provided, type a descriptive name for your application token. Make the name specific and easy to recognize later. For example, you may want to name it based on the project, tool, or integration you plan to connect. This helps you stay organized if you create more than one key in the future. Once the name is entered, scroll through the list of available feature options. You will see permission scopes that control what the API key can access. Check the boxes for the permissions required for your API operations. It is a good idea to choose only the permissions you actually need. This keeps access more secure and makes your setup easier to manage. After selecting the correct scopes, click Generate Key. Wix will then begin the verification process. Click Send Code, and Wix will send a 6-digit verification PIN to your email address associated with the account. Go to your inbox, retrieve the code, then return to Wix and paste the PIN into the verification box. After that, click Verify and Generate Key to complete the process. When the key has been created successfully, click Copy Token and Close. Be sure to store the token in a safe place right away, because this is usually the moment when it is easiest to copy and save it for later use. Keep it private and do not share it unnecessarily, since it provides access based on the permissions you selected. That covers everything you need to know.